GL101 here, good morning. This is the birds and the bees, which our parents should have told us about, I believe, at some stage. So there's the little birds. Here's the bees. There's the birds. Plenty of them. Yeah. And the bee. Stay still now. Birds have disappeared for a minute. There you are, good morning. Oh, they're in there in that tree. Oops. Morning everyone. It's great to be able to sit in a peaceful garden. I wish the whole world could do that. Unfortunately it can't. But have a brilliant day. Peace out. Free Palestine. GL101, Garden of 101, over and out.